Hello, hi guys! Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. This is Shin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong umaga, patingin natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is special gabay for the month of November 6 hanggang November 15 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik digdig na guumapa o manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dala ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, bigyan mo ko ng pasabog-bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid natin dyan. Aries. There is an Emperor. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, maging mature ka, no? Pagdating sa decision. And of course, kumbaga control and stability. And of course, there's a Six of Pentacles about sa finances. Kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy naman daw, no? Kumbaga, ang Six of Pentacles for me kasi is, kumbaga, pagtuloy ng finances, yung pagtuloy-tuloy na daloy, no? And because sa Six of Pentacles is giving and receiving something by a balance, no? Balance. And of course, there is an Emperor, parang recognize, sinasabi you're being a boss, or some of you, baka there's a boss, no? And of course, there is a Two of Pentacles. There is a balance, no? Magkakaroon man ng balance dito, and of course, the Six of Swords, na magdadala sa'yo ng transition, no? Siguro makakaalis ka sa situation or there's an information na kumbaga makakalaya ka na sa puro negatibo, no? And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging aware ka lang sa mga desisyon at of course, ang ginagawa mo, no? Panatiling balanse. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Three of Wands, waiting for a result or waiting for a ship. There's a trouble, no? Kumbaga, mayroon kang inaantay na balita or naantay na alis. Or some of you guys, baka mangingibang bansa ka o pupunta ka sa ibang bansa or uuwi ka dito sa bansang sinilayan mo. Charis. Sa bansang tinitiran mo, no? Maaaring uuwi ka na dito sa Pilipinas or maaaring may pupuntahan ka pang ibang bansa, no? And of course, there's a Two of Wands. There's a direction, no? There's a both side of the situation, no? Kailangan tinitignan mo muna yung mga magandang kahinatnan or yung magiging possibilities, no? And of course, there's a Two of Wands na sinasabi dito, there's a decisions. Let's see what is the Emperor. What is this Emperor? And of course, there's a Four of Wands. There's a celebration, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka daw dito ng celebration. And of course, sa Page of Wands, a good news. May magandang balita daw, no? Na magdadala sa'yo ng resource of income. Let's see what is the Two of Pentacles. What is Two of Pentacles? There's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough, no? Maaaring nga magtagumpay ka sa larangan na inaasam-asam mo. Or there's a balance. Kailangan maging balance, no? Kumbaga kahit na napagtagumpayan mo o kahit na medyo nakakabangon at nakakaangat ka na, stay on the ground, no? Panatiliing kalmado at panatiliing nakatapak sa lupa. So, what is the Six of Swords? Okay, there's a higher fund, a lesson learned, no? Kumbaga, there's an education from the past or something education na nangyari sa'yo, na kumbaga, there's a Six of Swords transition. Parang sinasabi dito na kailangan mong baguhin or kailangan mo na matuto mula dun sa mga pagkabigo or mga pinagdaanan, yung mga bagay na nagbigay sa'yo ng pain or something struggles. Kailangan matuto ka na para sa susunod na eksena, hindi na muling maganap or mangyari, no? Let's see what is the Three of Wands. What is the Three of Wands? There's a strength card. There's a confident. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confident dito na makakaalis ka, no? Huwag ka naghahatak ng negativity. Huwag ka mag-iisip na baka hindi ako makaalis or baka hindi na naman makapasa or something. No! Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo na kaya mo, no? Let's see what is the Two of Wands. There's a judgment, wake up call, no? There's an awakening this time. Para sinasabi dito na kailangan mo na mag-take ng action, na kailangan mo magdesisyon, no? As soon as possible. Tignan mo kung ano yung both side of situation. Tignan mo yung magiging lighter side, no? Yung pinakamagandang eksena nung kumbaga kapag nagdesisyon ka, ano yung magiging outcome or something na possibilities. So let's see what is the Emperor and the Four of Wands. Let's see what is the Emperor and the Four of Wands. And of course, there's a Six of Cups. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a past person, kumbaga, nababalik or something, no? Kasi there's a homecoming or celebration, no? It's either siblings or kapatid mo to, na uuwi galing sa ibang bansa or something na a past person na babalik sa'yo, no? At there's a wedding, maaaring kasal kayo, no? Or either na, kumbaga, there's an emperor na kailangan maging mature ka sa decision mo. So, let's see what is the Six of Pentacles and the Page of Wands. What is the Six of Pentacles and the Page of Wands? There's a Five of Pentacles. See? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a good news na makaka-recover ka na about sa finances. The Five of Pentacles is a financial loss. Kumbaga, maraming naganap na financial failure. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan maging mauta ka na or kailangan maging matalino or kailangan mo baguhin ang way mo or something or do a plan, no? Kailangan magplano ka. So, let's see what is the Two of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. And of course, there is a King of Wands, wise, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, being stability. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng control, no? At maging balanse, no? Kumbaga, kailangan planado at kailangan kontrolado, no? Kumbaga, para magtagumpay ka sa larangan na gusto mo. So, what is Six of Swords and of the Hierophant? Six of Swords and the Hierophant. And of course, there's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuitions. Na makikinig ka lagi sa intuition mo. There's a Nine of Wands. There's a final push. There's a step by step, no? Kumaga pagdadaanan mo talaga yung mga bagay na yan. Maaaring ang kailangan mo lang talaga maging mautak at maging matalino, no? Kumaga, kailangan mo talagang dumaan sa tamang proseso. There's there's a lessons, no? Marami kang makukuwang lessons or something aral dyan, no? Kailangan niya ng bibit-bitin mo in the near future. Because there is a Six of Swords na transition. Kumbaga, babaguhin ka dito ng pananaw mo o babaguhin yung pagkatao mo or something perspective mo, no? Kumbaga, maaaring madagdagan ng iyong knowledge sa mga bagay-bagay. So, let's see what is the Three of Wands and the Strength card. And because there is a King of Swords. Kumbaga, there is a being wise. No? Kailangan maging wise ka. No? Confident ka na kaya mo. Confident ka na alam mo yan. No? Even na may mga bagay na hindi mo pa alam, pero kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence. Ipakita mo sa kanila na alam mo yung ginagawa mo. Diba? The more na pinapakita mo na alam mo yung ginagawa mo, the more na natatagumpay ka. No? Well, let's see what is the Two of Wands and the Judgment. And of course, there's a Wheel of Fortune. See? Kumbaga, there's a wake-up call, there's a decision. Tignan mo yung lighter side of both situation. Tignan mo yung pinaka magandang magiging possibilities kung anong way ang dadaanan mo or something magiging decision mo. No? The Wheel of Fortune represent a good luck and bless and destiny is yours. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Eight of Wands. There is a fast communication and fast movement na maaaring bumilis na yung takbo ng eksena or something na magbigay sa'yo ng message, travel, communications, and either there's a Page of Swords, informations, no? Marami ka pa ditong malalaman, marami ka pa matutuklasan at marami ka pang mapagtatagumpayan, no? Kailangan mo munang alamin ang sitwasyon bago ka mag-take ng action. So, the Eight of Wands is a fast communication and of course, an email or messages ka malalaman, no? And let's see what is additional para mas i-clear out natin, no? Additional is the King of Pentacles, a being practicality. Okay, there is a Knight of Pentacles, security. So, kailangan maging secure and of course, practical kapag dating sa finances. And of course, sa both side of the situation, kailangan maging wise at least to ka. At the same time, there's a email or message ka matatanggap. And of course, get more information, no? Hindi porket may matanggap kang email is a good part, no? So, sinasabi sa dito, kailangan mo munang alamin or i-analyze ng maayos, visualize, para at the end of the time, hindi ka mo pagsisihan sa uli. Kumbaga, there's a security and practicality pagdating sa finances. Let's see what is love oracle card. Kasi guys, hindi lahat ng offer, no, sinusungga ba talagang, 'di ba, nilalaban. Kailangan mo muna ng detalyado at talagang plakado na sigurado, ganon. Set, let's see what is the love oracle card. Hindi sa mataas ang trust issue mo, ha. Kumbaga sa mundong ginagalawan natin ngayon na mataas ang kumbaga iba na ang generation ngayon. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan maging wise at matalino ka na sa lahat ng decision mo. And of course, there's unhealthy choices, no? Kumbaga kailangan paalagaan mo ang sarili mo, pangalagaan mo yung kaligayahan mo. And of course, there's a love call. Some of you, ha, kumbaga marami kang matatanggap na email or messages or papuri, no? Marami kang matatanggap na mga message and expresses love. And of course, there is a passion. Kumbaga, ano man yung ginagawa mo, kailangan basta gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, mapagtatagumpayan mo, no? So, let's see what is the love oracle card. Yin and Yang oracle card, sorry. What is the Yin and Yang oracle card? Okay, sinasabi dito, there is a truth expression. Kumbaga, dapat alam mo yung katotohanan, 'di ba? Marami kasing expressions na ipapakita sa iyo, kumbaga, may mga peking expression, no? Kumbaga, kaya nilang magpeke ng emosyon. So, kailangan maging ano ka, no? Hindi porket emosyon siya, ibig sabihin totoo yung sinasabi niya. Maging aware ka, no? At para hindi ka nabubudol. And of course, there is an empowerment. And of course, the Sun card. Magkakaroon ka ng inner clarity. At the same time, there is an air sign. So, some of you guys, ha, kumbaga may kinalaman ka sa Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, let's see what is additional messages for Monsology. For Monsology, guys, let's see. For Monsology. Okay. Your dreams need a practical plan. I told you so. 'Di ba? Kailangan mo maging practical. 'Di ba? And of course, look at the bigger picture. Dapat marunong ka tumingin sa magiging possibilities, no? Tingnan mo yung kahihinatnan o yung magiging magandang bunga. 'Di ba? Ganun 'yon. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael, innocent. So, some of you, ha, maaring inosente ka sa mga bagay-bagay or parang wala ka pang gaanong experience or alam dun sa isang situation. Kailangan mo i-enhance yung sarili mo, no? So, let's see what is additional Archangel Michael messages. And of course, the person that you're asking is about trustworthy. Some of your friends or family related or something na may mga tao kang nakakasalamuha or taong kinakausap or napagsasabihan ng mga hinaing or sekreto mo. So, sinasabi dito, mapagkakatiwalaan mo naman daw. And of course, forgive yourself, you done nothing wrong, no? Patawarin mo yung sarili mo, wala ka namang ginawang mali. Maaaring may mga bagay or failure kang nararanasan. It's a natural, no? Lahat ng tao ay maaring nagkakamali lang, no? Maaring dapat natuto ka sa pagkakamali na yon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's the cosmic heart. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a devotion. So, ibig sabihin dito, kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, kung passion mo talaga yan, pursigihin mo, no? Na maisa kataparan. And of course, lifting the veil. Ibig sabihin dito, questioning everything. Kumbaga, kailangan alisin mo yung, yung pananaw mo or yung perspective mo na maraming tanong, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, bakit hindi ka agad ibigay sa akin or something na bakit hindi ko makuha. Diba? Kumbaga, alamin mo yung kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. Hindi yung nagko-question ka ng, diba, ng parang bula. Diba? Let's see what is additional messages. I-analyze mo ng maayos, 'di ba? At mag-meditate ka. And of course, there's a cleansing. No, kailangan mo mag-cleansing at the same time there's a clarify. Malalaman mo 'yan at mauunawaan mo 'yan at the end of the time. And of course, there's a spirituality. Kumbaga, mag-meditate ka para ma-enhance ang iyong chakra and energy, no? Para maunawaan mo yung mga bagay-bagay. Maaring naguguluhan ka ngayon pero sa mga susunod na araw, kumbaga maliliwanagan ka. And of course, there is a fairies for environment, no? Kung sa some of you guys, there's an environment na, kumbaga, ayun nga, yung sinasabi diba na sa paligid mo, kumbaga, minsan, may mga tao sa paligid mo yung minsan nakakagulo ng isip mo, no? Kailangan maging aware ka. Additional messages, and of course, there's a grip, no? May mga bagay na kailangan ma-appreciate, no? It's an opportunity to learn. Yung mga bagay na nangyari na sa nakaraan na hindi na natin nababalik, or something losses, no? Kumbaga, it's an opportunity na dapat na may natutunan ka doon. So, let's see what is this energy. Let's see what is this energy. And rest and rejuvenation. I told you, kailangan mo mag-meditate. And of course, there's an angel of balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance, emotional and practical. So, let's see what is this chakra. Okay, thank you. There is a creation. So, ikaw yung mag-create ng isang bagay. Ikaw yung maglalagay sa sitwasyon mo. Ikaw din yung makakaalis sa sitwasyon mo, no? You are also a creator. And of course, there's a mysticism, no? Kumbaga, may maraming misteryong magaganap. There's an unexpected moment. Kaya kailangan lagi ka maging handa. Let's see what is Arcangel Raphael. Sunlight. So, magkakaroon ka na talaga ng kaliwanagan dito. Di ba? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga, kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi ni Arcangel Raphael na tutulungan kanyang maliwanagan sa lahat ng mga katanungan, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo rin siguro ng sunlight for benefits, for yung mga, kumbaga, kailangan mo magpa-araw, di ba? Para mas ma-refresh ka. Let's see what is additional messages. There's a counseling. So, minsan nakikinig ka dapat sa mga advices or something, no? And yung inner voice mo. At the same time, there's an oracle card. There's a prophecy. Some of you guys, mukhang nalaman mo na yung mga kasagutan, no? In your own analyzation. Let's see what is Jesus' loving quotes. Whosoever shall do will all my Father which is in my heaven, the same in my brother and sister and my mother. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga dapat tayong ginagawa, no, sa ating Panginoon, 'di ba? Katulad niyan, kumbaga naniniwala tayo sa kanya, naniniwala tayo sa pananampalataya at pusong pagmamahal natin sa kanya. 'Di ba? Gayon din dapat itinuturo natin, no, sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. So kailangan natin i-approach sila or something na turuan sila sa mga bagay-bagay. Kaya pala, there's a counseling, no? Kailangan ng advices or something na, kumbaga, there's a family-related na kailangan natin silang parang i-engganyo or something na kumbaga, magdasal o magsimba or something, no? Na makakatulong for cleansing, no? Kasi there's a full of negativities sa inyong tahanan, no? Maaring marami na kayong negatibo, or some of you baka madalas kayo nag-aaway or something, nagtitalo kasi there's a lot of negativity na nasa inyong tahanan, kaya kailangan mag-cleansing, no? So let's see what is this angel's number. Let's see what is this angel's number. And of course, there's a 333. I am powerful. So, sinasabi dito, you are being called upon to use your spiritual gift as a light worker, assisting to all of the humanity, live your truth and be a positive light to others. Yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Kumaga, napaka-powerful mo, no? Lakas ng hatak mo sa ibang tao, even your family. Kaya kailangan mo na, kumbaga, mahatak mo sila sa kaliwanagan, mahatak mo sila sa mga good energy, and at the same time sa paniniwala na kumbaga in God perfect time ipagkakalob sa iyo yung mga bagay na para sa iyo. There's a spiritual gift na kumbaga ikaw yung nagbibigay ng kaliwanagan sa kanila at ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag, no? Let's see what is the messages of life. May purpose kaya ka binigyan ng gantong analyzation or something iba, kumbaga visions, no? Kumbaga para maturuan mo or para ipaunawa mo sa kanila, no? And of course, return to the inner temple. So sinasabi dito, today I rediscover my inner self in sacred silence. This is the inner temple which in which I am able to calmly study the lesson life has providing me here. I regain my sense of tranquility and retrieve my trust in the universe. But in the light of the inner temple, I now remember the value of each and every step of my life. See? Kumbaga nauunawaan mo na lahat ng bagay ay mayroon talagang proseso, no? At kumbaga hindi mo kailangan madaliin at hindi mo kailangan agad-agarin, no? Kailangan mong dumaan sa tamang step by step, no, na ibibigay sa iyo at pagkakalob sa iyo. Hindi mo pwedeng makuha agad-agad. Kailangan mong dumaan sa maganda at kumbaga pinaghirapan mo para sa susunod na eksena, 'di ba? Sulit yung mga tagumpay na malalasap mo. So guys, this is a weekly this is a special gabay for the month of November 6 hanggang November 15 for the sign of Aries. Maraming salamat Aries for your wonderful reading. And maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na may pagpalain kayo na Diyos at may kapalsiksik-liglig nag-uumapaw aman ng balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!